How to create an online course from start to finish, from idea, scripting, publishing, and start to make money. In this video, I'm going to be actually creating a real course which is going to be published. But today I want to take you with me through the journey. My name is Gamel Hoja and I'm an entrepreneur and a tutor. And currently I have about 13,000 students on Udemy. And I also have other platforms that I publish to. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process, and I just want you to know from the onset that it's very easy, simpler than you think. The only tools we're going to be needing is actually we're going to need ChatGPT, and we're also going to need Canva and our publishing platform, which is going to be Udemy. So I already have about 7 courses published on Udemy, and as of now, I'm still working on other courses which are yet to be published. It is easy. It's the best way for anyone who wants to start. And the reason why we need Canva is because we're going to be creating some designs for our course, and also even if we need a presentation. And lastly, one of the most important tools that I would like to mention also is we might need Notion. And Notion is where we're going to be scripting our ideas and putting our ideas there. We're going to be using ChatGPT to build the ideas, because you already have to have come up with the idea. Right now, by my side, I already naturally, like I go the old route, I already have my book and my paper, just the ideas. So if you have any idea, an expertise or something, then you are willing and ready to actually create a course. So let's get into it. So today we are going to be starting a course. And right now, the title of this video is actually how to create an online course from start to finish. So let's say we come to Udemy. So I want you to use Udemy because it is simpler to use. There are platforms to publish your website. Now, courses are published on a website which has an LMS. An LMS is a learning management system. These are platforms that will help you to be able to arrange your courses in order and be able to publish it and then sell it for money or maybe free courses. This is called an LMS, that is a learning management system. There are amazing learning management systems out there. We have Teachable, but for Teachable, because if you're going to be a starter and you're going to be using Teachable, you should know that there are some pricing limits that you might have. And as you're starting a business, you don't want to shoot yourself in the foot. So the only thing I can say is it's a bit expensive as of now, because the pro version getting started is actually 119 dollar to get started. Kajabi as well. Let's look at the pricing. So it's like, first of all, you're already having a limit why you should not even start. So it's like Kickstarter. And what are the things you can do? 50 landing pages, 1,000, one product, just one product. So we want to scale. Udemy has its own limits, but as well, first of all, this is the platform. So I'm trying to convince you why we need to go with Udemy, first of all. Udemy has a marketing strategy that helps you, like maybe you are putting your course in front of thousands and millions of people. That is the advantage. So therefore, create a Udemy account. If you do not have one, set it up, have everything ready. And when you're ready to get started, we're going to start to say, create a new course. That is easy. Are we going to create a course or are we going to create a practice test? The difference is we are going to be creating a course with videos and assignments and stuff like that. So we go with create a course. Then here we're going to write the name. So in this video, as I said, we're going to be creating an online course. So we are just going to say how to create, let's say how to create an online course. Okay, so this is all we need just to get started. So once I've written this, we're going to select the category. In Udemy there are categories. Let's go for business, so that not right now, that place. And then after here we just go continue. And how much time do you have for creating? I have a lot of time, 5 hours. I can create more. This is where we're going to be uploading our course, our resources and everything. Let's look at this. Plan your course. There's something called content opportunities. Udemy actually makes some suggestions to you about courses which have not yet been created, but there is a higher demand. Maybe if you can see it and look at it, oh wow, there is a course about it. The course language is English, all levels, and they are trying to find someone who can teach this particular topic, or this is a hot kick topic, like first mover will get a lot of advantage in this particular place. So this is the amazing part of actually being on Udemy. Let's go to the intended learners. This is where you're going to fill about 4 or 5 people that actually you think might need this course, and then who this course is actually meant for, the course structure, setup. So here, if you are a complete beginner, you can use this to get started. Flame and edit, curriculum. So these ones are just, you are looking at it. Now, the place that we're going to be playing around is the curriculum. The first section is maybe introduction. So for us, maybe we can still keep it that way. We can keep it introduction, or we can just say getting started. We just have to save the section. Now, sections are actually, you can create another section. For example, section 2. Maybe we want to create this course like how to create an online course, maybe getting started. The first thing that we're going to be doing is actually, let's say, opening the account, or maybe idea generation. Let's go for idea generation. Okay, so maybe this is the first thing, idea generation, and maybe we can go for the next one. Let's say selecting a platform could be the second one. So these are just simple ideas that are coming in my mind concerning how I think a course can actually be created. So selecting a platform, and then maybe let's say the third one could be actually, let's say, taking notes. Then maybe we can also come to the next one. I'm just making some crazy stuff over here, taking notes, and then maybe the next one could be actually, let's talk about maybe preparing the presentations. Okay, so preparing the presentations. Okay, now this is the first one. Now, maybe the second model where you want to take your students to is actually creating, creating the course uh-huh materials. Okay, let's say creating the course materials. So here we are just gonna save this section, and under every section you can have different lectures. When you are selecting the lectures, you can actually go for a lecture, a quiz, a coding exercise, practice test, or an assignment. So you can give assignments as well, which we're going to go into that. So today our idea is we're going to create a course on how to create an online course. And the best place to go to will be ChatGPT. So today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is and the right prompts that you need to be given to ChatGPT. So we're going to start a completely new chat. And right in front of you, we're going to develop this. As soon as I'm able to get some few ideas and maybe some descriptions and stuff like that, I'll go into the details of actually getting the course, preparing it, making the thumbnail, and then getting it started. I work simultaneously with ChatGPT from my phone. I speak to it, it's very fast. Then now we can have this. Now it is telling me mastering online course creation, build, launch, and thrive. I'm just going to listen to exactly what it's saying. This is not copyright. This is exactly what we should be doing. So we're going to come here. Let's say, for example, we already started creating the courses. Let's come here. Let's go back to the course landing page. And let's say, yeah, we just decided to change the title, Mastering Online Course, Build, Launch, and Thrive. Amazing. This is amazing. Then we can go to like a step-by-step guide to turning your what? Your knowledge into what? An online course. So, as I said, with the advent of AI, it's becoming so easy for us to do stuff. First, this needs to be written by a copywriter. Now we're going to ask it for the course description, a long, detailed course description. When I'm speaking to it, I'm going to tell it, write me a course description which is going to be SEO friendly. That when people are searching for how to create an online course, they're going to find my course. This is exactly what I'm going to tell it, and it's going to provide it for me. So right now that we've done this, let me just say save. Okay, because we've not yet added this, but let's go back to the curriculum. Okay, let's go back to the curriculum, and let's start with exactly what ChatGPT was actually suggesting. So we're just going to start here. I'm going to speed up everything so you don't have to sit around and watch everything like this. So we're just going to start with like, okay, planning your online course, and look at the sections that it gave us. We're just going to do exactly the same one, which is actually let's go here. So we just decided to change it, and it's even more interesting. Look at this. So identifying your niche and target audience. I'm thinking exactly this is exactly what creating an online course itself is. So then you're going to write this. So ChatGPT is supposed to just help you come up with the amazing ideas on how to just get your course actually just started so that you don't have to think about this aspect, so you just jumpstart the process. Once we've done this, for example, you've been able to, let's finish one section together, research market demand, which used to be very hard, but now even when we started with ChatGPT, you realize that they were, when we started with Udemy, I mean, they were even teaching us examples of courses which are hot right now that you can actually go ahead to create. So, like a joke, you can actually see we've already first created our first section. This is it. This is called the first model, planning your online course, identifying your niche and target market, identifying clear objectives, research market demand, outlining your course content. So now we are at the verge of what we have to do now is we have to create the online course itself. And this is also very easy. I want to show you this. So first of all, we'll go back to ChatGPT and we're going to speak to it that let us expand the first section. Together, let's do this. Hi, ChatGPT. So now we would like to go deep into the course itself, and I would like you to help me to come up with the presentation that I'm going to be using to make the course. So we're going to start with the first section. The first section is planning your online course. And I want you to help me. Let's expand on each of the topics. For example, the first one is identifying your niche and target audience. I want you to write me a complete great course. Act as if you are the greatest copywriter on earth, and you're gonna teach somebody how to identify their niche and target market. I want you to provide me with examples, practical advice, and practical steps that I can actually use to get started. Let's go. All right, let's create a comprehensive guide for identifying your niche and target audience. So that's it. So as of the moment, ChatGPT will be generating, and right there, I'm gonna jump right in into this side, and let's look at what it has for me. So when we are here, we're just gonna see that ChatGPT will be writing or feeding out this information to us. Okay, so now let's say like a joke, we already have the first one. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to copy this. And I generally use Notion to actually store up my data and to also redefine it. So we're going to jump on to Notion, okay? And in Notion, that is where I keep my content. That's where I create all my quizzes and codes. So let's say, for example, this time around, we're going to create another course. So let me just write course, and we're going to be putting our information over here. This is where we're going to be building the whole idea from. And once we have this idea, maybe you would like to create some slides. It has stored as slides. What we're going to do is we're going to come into Canva, and we're just going to search for presentation. If you're going to be using presentation style, or even if you want to record your screen. Right now, you saw me going to and fro between two platforms. Right now, what you can see on the screen, I'm recording on Canva, and I'm recording on my phone, and I'm actually recording right there with my webcam in front of me. At the beginning, when I started creating online courses, I didn't have all these tools. All I needed was actually something like this. You just need a very simple microphone, that a headset that has a great microphone, so you can have a good quality sound. For right now, I use this microphone, which is also great, which is amazing. That actually helps me ease my work. I also had other microphones, but this is more than enough. So we're gonna be either recording our screens, or you're gonna make a presentation. So first of all, you just need to go here and then pick a presentation, or you pick a slide. So you're just gonna select from thousands and thousands of presentations or templates. You're gonna choose from any one of them and start to work with. So let's just go here and let's go to, for example, you can search through this site. So let's just say presentation. For example, I just want to say presentation. So once I say presentation, and Canva is going to give me quite a lot of different presentation templates. You can either pick one of these, as you can see, similar examples, great examples over here. Let's say I want to pick the red one because it's concerning branding. I just want to make a powerful impact. So there you go. You see exactly what you're going to get if you're going to do this. So let's just say customize, and let's get started. So for example, we want to say identifying your the first thing we're going to be doing is identifying our niche. So let's go here. Let's say for the first slide, we're going to be identifying your niche and target audience. So let's just copy this, and I'm just going to give it a start, and you're going to see exactly what I'm going to be doing. Based on that, you're also going to go ahead and create it. So let's just make our presentation. So once you've done such a presentation like this, all you got to do is to come and just download it. When you've downloaded it, all I want you to do is now we're going to be creating the video. There are other platforms that you can actually use to record your screen if you want to. But for now, I believe that to do that, you also just need to come to Canva, because Canva is going to help you to be able to do this in the easiest form possible. So all you're going to do is to write video. And once you write the video, you're going to come here and you're going to see um, some templates. I just want you to pick a blank template, okay? And once you've picked a blank template, we're gonna come here and we're gonna speak, and we're gonna start creating the content. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna come to Canva. Many people don't know this is this, but you're gonna go to Canva, and you're gonna write record yourself. Once you press record yourself, the camera is going to open. Okay. Once the camera is open, you're going to come here and select camera and screen, so that you can actually share your screen. Okay. So you're going to pick maybe you have, then if you want to record the entire screen, if you want to record a window, so you just want to record one of the Chrome tabs, you can do that. So you can pick any of the Chrome tabs that you want to record. And based on that, you just be recording your screen just like that, friends, just like that. And you can record it, download it, and you are done. Once you're done, we're just going to come into our Udemy platform. We come to the content, and you're going to upload the video. Maybe you might not want to upload the video. You might like to upload an article. Let's say your course is just about written. Your course is just written, all the ideas, you just wrote ideas and you're just publishing it here. Then it could be something like this. If it is just an article, then you can just write this article, pick it up from here, and you go to your Udemy platform and you would have pasted it here. This is it. Or maybe if you had a picture that you want to add to it, you're just going to go here and just select upload. So sometimes it could be pictures, anything, like anything. For example, so for me, let's say I just had a picture, maybe start creating your brand, and then I started doing this, and I just wrote articles about it. So it could be video articles or a mashup. A mashup is when you have articles and videos together. Once you've done this and you say save, then it means you have something ready that you can actually get it published. So this is going to be published. You can preview it either as an instructor or as a student. You make sure everything is ready. So with this, you'll be done with creating everything. And once you're done, this is exactly all you need to actually create your course on Udemy. Once you're done, we're going to come to the course landing page. In the course landing page, that's where we're going to add a subtitle. We're going to create a course description. So it's simple, but let's get this done. So for the final part also, I'm going to speak to ChatGPT finally. So it's going to give us a long description so we can add to this. So hi ChatGPT, right now I need a long course description that's going to describe exactly what is inside the course. I need you to give me some explanations and also details about who this course is for, the learning objective, and what the students are going to learn or gain after this particular course. What are they going to learn? And when we are done with this, I want this description to be SEO friendly, that anyone who is searching for this particular course on the Udemy platform will come across my course. So help me come up with the course description. But I would like you to repeat again the course title and then the course subtitle. Thank you. Okay, ChatGPT is going to help me come up with this. So we go back to our page. So look at this. It's less than, we're getting into 20 minutes of the time. And ChatGPT has been great in helping us to create a course as soon as possible. And everything I showed you, all you needed to do is, if you have expertise in recording a video, then I don't think you're going to have a problem. So now we're going to do mastering. And I'm telling you, this course, I'm going to publish it. I'm going to publish this course. And this is going to be the first video in the course. So you guys who are going to be watching this on YouTube know that exactly what I'm saying is what I'm going to be doing over here. So this is the course description, who is this course for, and that's it. So we've created this, and then I can add that to the course description, and let's see if that is enough for us to get it published, because sometimes the course description could be short, and Udemy will like you to make some adjustment. Okay, so now we're going to select what is the level. Is for all levels. What is this business? We're going to select the subcategory. We can put this under, and we can put this under, let's say, other businesses. So we can put this under entrepreneurship especially, and we're going to select maybe who is this primary course for, and we're just going to upload a video. Sometimes I want to go with this, for example, how to create a course. So let's select this. Then you're going to add a promotional video. So if you have a promotional video, you're going to put it here, and what you're going to do is you're going to preview this, and that is it. So dear friends, from start to finish, as I promised, I've shown you exactly how we are supposed to create an online course. This is how simple it is. Every course creation page, like Teachable, like Kajabi, which I've used most of the Skillshare. I also have a course on Skillshare. All these places act the same. But I advocate for Udemy, especially when you're getting started. So this is it, and your course will be published. Right now, I have about 7 courses that are selling, and also this is exactly the interface that I use. So I hope you found this video helpful. I just wanted to bring you with me throughout the process to see exactly how it is. And from today, I don't want you to have any struggles trying to create an online course. So this is going to be easy. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you found this helpful, all I'm asking from you is to smash the like button. That's going to help me a lot. And if you have a friend who might want to create an online course, you can send it to them so they can also see it. And if they want to join, they can actually join my YouTube channel, because I post about content on entrepreneurship, how to get started, how to create online courses, and how to write ebooks. On my next lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook and sell it on a platform called Gumroad. So all the links to creating an online business are down there. They are my affiliate link. By clicking them, you're going to be helping me and the channel. Thank you so much. Until I see you next time, take care. Bye-bye. Peace.